I have built a chicken coop out of this metal shed, and before I could use it I need to modify a few things. So the first thing I needed to do was put some flooring so that the chickens can walk on it on this height. So the doors needed some modification, needed to cut them in half, and yeah, did some modifications to fit it here in the upper area of this coop. It was time to make a nextbox, and lucky me because my wife found one on Facebook Marketplace, but also that needed some modifications to fit here into the shed. And after installing this metal plate, I needed to make a support inside, so I've welded it onto the bottom rails. Made a support. For this egg box area, I needed to cut a piece out of the sidewall. And now we can collect the eggs pretty easy.